माननीय आमदार Antonio Vaz.
Okay, sir. There is anxiety among the ST community of Goa because the central government has approved reservation for ST community for Goa Legislative Assembly election. But Goa state government has not taken any further action as yet. There has been a demand by ST community for reserved seat for the Legislative Assembly election for last many years. This is wished of the ST community be fulfilled. Will the government take action at the earliest? Will the seat be reserved for ST community at the next Goa State Assembly election in 2027?
समोर हाडलेलो आसा ह्या विशया संदर्भात भारत सरकार आख्या थिंग आसा ते कंटिन्युअस आमी फॉलो करतात आनी 2027 पर्यंत रिजर्वेशन जावचें हो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो.
सर रिजर्वेशन 2027 जालें कितें आयडिया आसा ते तुका?
बाबा Antonio Vaz.
सर
मिनिस्टर आन्सर केले. माननीय